Okay, I admit, it's harder than I thought.
Actually, you did pretty good. Hey, check it out.
Whoa!
Ed Turtle.
City of...
Thieves! They want to become themselves!
I wouldn't become a...
Kid.
Oh, whoa! Hey, little girl, are you okay?
Please, don't steal anything from me!
We want to turn your frown.
Jake!
I'll face the other way.
Oh, it was terrible.
Oh, boy.
Into the... My name's Penny.
My room.
I don't steal!
Read it ridiculous?
No, and then I have to say yes. Beat my purity into them!
Coming. Oh, no.
Yeah! Number 3.
Ben, it's a knife storm. Looks like we're staying in today, kid.
To play video games.
BMO!
Oh!
Hello!
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
My boy.
I'm in lots of... Your Majesty. I'm in lots of...
I am about to embark on a most thrilling adventure. I need air.
I'm in lots of...
Will you teach me about bright smiles?
No! Luigi, look!
Jingo Jango! I remember how much I liked the very first one. Well, this is it, Cinnamon Bun. Base time.
Number 10, the Awful Aquarium. They find a happy home with their Uncle Mac, the ichthyologist, but then Duke Vladimir.
I could write a book series someday.
But you didn't...
Thanks.
つむぎちゃんと配信ごっこしてたの。そう、一緒にライブしたつむぎちゃん。
Oh, Cake, this is like my 5th job this year.